So there. Chef, what's the secret to a good Philly
That's
cheesesteak?
the secret right there.
What is it?
Make sure all this steam and moisture coming off of it goes back in the pile. Mixes with the cheese.
And of course, you got to use good rolls.
Making a cheese sauce on the grill.
Amoroso makes great bread. What kind of meat is that? What slice or what?
Philly steak.
Philly steak.
Original.
It's a thing.
One more minute, it's done.
Beautiful.
Cheese provolone or something?
Cooper Sharp.
Super sharp.
All kinds of sauces.
Well, that is a thing of beauty.
Thank you. We got this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Chef, how long do you cook the meat?
I'm sorry.
How long do you cook the meat?
It's less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long because I steam it.
Yep.
Yeah, I put water on it to get it because it's frozen.
Yep.
Right, from frozen. And the secret is to keep the moisture in the meat, so when the cheese hits the meat, it makes a sauce because you're always mixing it. Right?
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And
Once you learn that, it's really simple.
okay. And is that the standard cheese that you use? The
Yeah, it's a Cooper, right?
Cooper Sharp cheese, yeah.
Yeah, Cooper
That
Sharp.
sign right there.
Cooper Sharp.
Yeah.
Okay. Chef, thank
All
you
right.
so much for giving us a Philly cheesesteak demo.
There you go. Thank you, sir.